another episode of Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Tunisian Crochet Block stitch. Super fun stitch. Basically you're going to need 2 colors of worsted weight yarn. Today I'm using my Lion brand Pound of Love in these 2 colors. I'll link to them in the description. I'm using my Clover Takumi L8mm Tunisian crochet hook with a cord and stopper. Basically the way the stitches worked, you start with a dark color, which forms the outline of your squares, and then the lighter color is what fills the squares. And you're going to need a total of multiple of 4 plus 3 stitches. Today I'm going to be chaining 19. So I'm going to start with my color A. So basically do your slip knot, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Alright, so I have 19 stitches, and then I'm going to work my foundation row. I have another tutorial. I'll link to it in the description, as well as in the eye in the corner. You can click that to go watch how to do the foundation row. Basically, we work into the back bumps. We're going to stick our hook in, yarn over, and pull up a loop, and we're just doing that all the way across. Alright, so we've worked the forward pass, and then the return pass. We're just going to do chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 all the way across. Turn pass until we have 2 loops remaining on our hook, and then we are going to grab our lighter yarn, and we are going to attach it here. So we're gonna pull through 2 here. All right. And then we're just going to work a normal forward pass. So we're going to do yarn over. So basically we're going to work into the vertical bars across. And so we never work into the first stitch here. We're going to start with the second one here. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. And we're just going to do that all the way across to work our Tunisian simple stitch. I'm going to do that for 2 rows, but this is basically the forward pass, and then I'll show you the return pass. Forward pass, and then we're going to work into the last stitch. Make sure you go under both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop. Alright, and then we're doing our return pass, which is chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way across. Alright, and then we're going to work 1 more row, but on the return pass we're going to change back our color. So yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, and pull up a loop all the way across. Just doing our normal forward pass Tunisian simple stitch across. Remember to work under both loops in the end here. Yarn over, chain one, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops all the way across until you get to the last 2 stitches. Once you have 2 loops remaining on your hook, we are going to, now we have 2 loops remaining, we are going to pick up our darker color and you're going to twist. I always like to twist it so it's secure. I have another tutorial about color changes that you can watch. I'll link to it in the eye above. Basically, we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. So now we are back to our green color. And then we are going to work 2 simple stitches, the next 2 stitches. So yarn over, pull up a loop into the next 2 stitches. Now when we get to the 3rd stitch, we're going to go down to the 3rd row where we had initially started with this color, and we're going to find the front loop and the back loop of this stitch and work under it. This is called the extra long Tunisian crochet front post stitch, front post double crochet stitch. So I know it's a long name, but it's not that hard, so I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so once we've worked the 2 simple stitches, we are going to go into the next stitch. We're going to go into the 3rd row where we started off with this color, and we're going to work under the front and back bars of this loop. So we're going to go on, we're going to yarn over first, then we're going to go under both of these loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're going to do chain 1, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And that's our front post stitch. Then we're going to continue doing simple stitch 1, 2, 3 stitches. Then we're going to work a front post stitch again. So go into your 3rd row, find the front and back of this loop, yarn over, go under both of the loops, yarn over again, pull up a loop, and then chain 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2. And then we're going to do another 3 simple stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then again, we're going to find the 3rd row, yarn over, work under the front and back loops of the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we're just going to do simple stitch 1, 2, 3 times, and then we are going to yarn over, go to the 3rd row again, work under these loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then we're just going to do simple stitch 1, 2, and then into the 3rd stitch here, we are just going to work under both loops in the edge stitch. Alright, and then we're just going to do our normal return pass. Make sure you have 19 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Alright, then we're going to do a return pass, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way across. Until we get to 2 loops remaining again, because we're going to switch back to our lighter color. So now we have 2 loops remaining. Let's join back our color and yarn over, pull through 2, and then we are going to work 2 rows of Tunisian simple stitch with this lighter color all the way across. So in the second row, when you get to the return pass, we're just going to change the color again. So chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way across. I'm going to do another row. Chain 1, return pass all the way across. Oops, so when we have 2 stitches, 2 loops remaining on the hook, we are going to change back to our green. So let's do that, and then just gonna do Tunisian simple stitch into the next 2 stitches, and then remember you're gonna go down to the 3rd row, find the front and back loop of the stitch, yarn over, work under both, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches. Alright, and then we're just going to continue that pattern. So 1, 2, 3 stitches, simple stitches, go to the 3rd row, yarn over, work under both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 1, and pull through 2 here, and then another 3 simple stitches, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, go under both loops in that 3rd row, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then another 1, 2, 3, and then again yarn over, go into the behind both loops, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then just simple into the next 2, and then you just repeat this pattern. That's how you do the Tunisian block. Super fun and easy, and it pretty much lays flat. Right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked watching the tutorial. Let me know what you think. Please drop a comment, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.